Yeah, massive big up and respect every time. You don't know a thing go, boy. Jamaica walk by walking our son. How that? You don't know, say Alexi and Kylie. So right about now, right in the meat of the matter. Right now, I'm going to tell you about one of the best restaurants in Jamaica. Right about now. We're good like that. A bad chef, so I know me I talk about her. I stand by her and tell her straight up. Alexi good G like that. So if you want a real authentic Jamaican restaurant food there, and think, come in, baby, come in, we are going there. So, you know, say son bad at Jamaica with it. So listen me now, man. We are going to check out a restaurant and I go show you and things. See? Them name DANZI Kitchen. See me? DANZI Kitchen. So she have no idea where forward today. So I just want, you know, surprise her because we good like that. And I hear so we always buy. I hear so we buy food from them. Lexi.
So for those who don't, for those who know Maypen, DANZI Kitchen is located on Midland Court Plaza. So Midland Court is basically close to Guinea Tree. You can put in the, we're gonna put the address on the screen. So for those who know Maypen and even those who don't know Maypen, put it in your Google Maps and follow the right here. So be a nice food.
Yes, tell them about the delivery thing. Should do delivery and thing like that too?
Yes, so that can be arranged if you work in and around the Maypen area and you can't come to pick up your meal, you can get it delivered to you.
And why I say that is because most of the time when we're there home, I just select it, go to DANZI, ray, and the food reach. So you know the thing go like for it. So we're going to check out the place, I'm going to show exactly what the place look like. See that first, see the door here, look good now, man. Yeah, so make a move inside. Yes, we're there.
I'm so surprised to see you guys.
Yeah, that's how we have to do it thing, man. We can't make it thing look too fake, you understand?
We just there and some do some cleaning up because we just let out some customer. Kylie, we can't believe what
DANZI Kitchen.
Listen, we can't bother with know.
Yeah,
So,
that is it. That's how we do it.
My best outfit
and natural. So massive as I can say, look good now, man. A clean restaurant me I talk about. Look good now, man. Figure that look good. Boy, me I tell you say you do some real big changes to the place, man. Look good now, man. Boy.
Nice.
Look good now, man. Watch breeze now, man. Jaja no, look good. AC.
Oh my
BSC, big screen TV. Nice and easy. Look good now, man. Oh, you like coolings them and BSC thing. Mighty to the tomb. Place nice and thing. DANZI are going good. Lord of mercy, massive DANZI Kitchen, Maypen. And yes, are the real authentic food them. You understand? You see how them here we see and just a poster, she cook them and take picture. Look good now, man. Look, even if you don't believe me, look good. The DANZI thing that is right there. So look now, man. The DANZI all-purpose sauce that.
But
look even the DANZI all-purpose sauce that. Look good now, man.
And our spicy dip.
See that? DANZI spicy dip. And a joke thing. See how you?
product them live, you know.
Yeah, look good now, man.
So we have the DANZI spicy dip and we have the DANZI all-purpose season. When it's surprised me, I didn't even know so long.
That is it. Yeah, you mean? Look good. Nice and clean. So right now, me I don't want food. You understand? Because I tell her, you want a fried chicken and no more want a fried chicken, leg and thigh.
Fried chicken, leg and thigh?
Yeah, Lexi, where you want?
I know where you want. So I'm going to fix you. Boy, it's a pleasure. I'm really surprised for so now. Right inside the DANZI Kitchen. Like, I am so grateful. Like, you're not going to tell me so now?
Nah, man, I'm not so work. You don't know the thing go. We're not fear nothing. Look good now, man. Look up on the nice artificial turf in our place. Look on cleanness. Look good now, man. Oh, you mean? DANZI Kitchen. No joke, no doubt. The place where you set up. You don't know to this and all look at. Music and thing. Big TV. Fan. AC, figure that? No doubt. Enough seating. Look good. Eh? Nice. Beautiful and clean. Oh, you mean? If you want to have a drink, you can come right as you come have a drink. Right as so easy and nice. Cool and nice. Beautiful. Yeah, massive. No joke. Yeah, so we're back in our place and I tell us we have to reach us if we go and get some DANZI's Kitchen food because I tell us we're tired. Exhausting, hungry, and basic. So there's no other place we could afford right now than DANZI Kitchen to get the right food there. I tell us we just want a nice rice and peas and fried chicken. I mean, that me always order still, but the menu tall. You understand? I love a fried chicken. You see me? Yeah, no doubt, no joke. So DANZI, you need already? That was fast, man. Oh, you mean? So We're there, we're outside without no fear. DANZI kitchen, Maypen with the look good now, man. How you mean? Yeah, I wonder why in the box. Because what I go in the box there. So watch you know. You don't know Jamaican style, you don't know. Yes, that is it. Look on vegetable, man. How you mean? No joke, no doubt. Where the other box? So I go. Massive, you don't know, we're not talking with a self-as news. Alright, figure that. Look good now, man. Yes, I. How you mean?
And for you say wing, you know,
Yeah, for you see wing, you know, say Alexi food that. No joke, no doubt. Yes, sir. You know, if you bag it up, you know, we are going to eat right or so. Right or so we are eat. Yeah, I go with mine, you know. Can I drink you want?
Me drink hungry.
Yeah. Oh, you mean? So, you don't know the thing, go. Yeah, massive. So, you don't know me, I go just enjoy my food right now. Massive, me indoors and blast. If you're in the Maypen area, if you're there anywhere about that place, yeah, you understand that you want good food, real food, great, authentic Jamaican food, right at your service. You want your food, you actually have a number where you can see a DANZI. So, DANZI.
Listen, if you want to find DANZI Kitchen, we're at shop number 3, Midland Court Plaza. That's right across from Church Street. Our number is 541-9974. You're not getting no better than this. You can follow us on all social media platforms. DANZI Kitchen on Instagram. You find out everything about the kitchen. We do private catering, we do chef, we do everything. So you can go there and find us.
Figure that. You don't know DANZI say it all. So DANZI will have some food at the moment. So you know.
Thank you so much.
I want Jamaica walk by, but you don't think, man. So massive, trust me, I'm going to see many more videos and many more things we do in a DANZI kitchen.
Oh, we still have outside in our world, and we show them some real Jamaica food, how we do it outside.
Figure that. Look good now, man. Alright, massive. So big up on yourself. Check out DANZI kitchen in Maypen. You understand? She tell you everything we need to know. See the logo? Place nice and pretty. Nice and clean. How you mean? No joke, no doubt. That's how we are doing. Yeah. Jamaica walk by style. You understand? Remember, that is it. See? Big up and love every time. Full time.